One student at South was a runner-up at the Moot Court Competition finals. I talked to her about how she felt competing, her plans for the future, and learned a little bit more about Moot Court.
Moot Court's a competition where students get the opportunity to argue how they feel the law should be. So rather than just a trial where we're trying to determine if somebody's guilty or innocent, here we're trying to determine what the law should be in this country. In other words, should the First Amendment protect students' right to speech in schools, or should the Fourth Amendment protect a student's right against search and seizure?
So the judge is able to interrupt you whenever they want. They're able to clarify anything that they need, and you're just basically arguing for your side. And we were first in the Moot Court competition, what I just explained, and we first competed at the regional level, and so that's where I first advanced to the finals.
The competition itself is open for students of all grade levels. What we have always chosen to do here is we do it for our seniors. It's kind of a last competition opportunity for them to do it. And then they do the local competition for the right to earn the chance to go to the national competition. The national competition we've had for the last 9 years.
Well, of course, like with every competition you feel nervous, so like that's how I am. I'm like a big worrier. So for every competition I get really nervous and I get really anxious. So I'm always like kind of talking myself down, but like once I get in there, like when I start to actually argue, that's when I gain my confidence. I actually plan to become a criminal defense attorney, and then practice that for a couple of years and then try prosecution law.
We wish Mariah the best of luck. I'm Sarah Cowherd with JAG News.